Another item you can set up within settings are rate qualifiers. Rate qualifiers allow you to give special rates to certain guests. This can be useful for scenarios where you offer different rates for things like residents, senior citizens, club memberships, or even conference rates. To create the rate qualifier, simply click into the rate qualifier setting. Then go ahead and click the new rate qualifier button in the top right. Once here, you will name and enter a description for the rate qualifier. Then you can choose whether or not you want to give the option for this qualifier to show on the reservation portal for guests to be able to select on a dropdown. Here, as an example, I'm making a Good Sam rate qualifier. That I'm going to make available on the reservation portal. Once you enter the information, go ahead and click Save. This will then create the rate qualifier for you then to later assign to an actual rate when creating units. Another item that can be added within your settings is coupons. Coupons are for those discounts that you want an explicit percentage or dollar amount off of the entire transaction. To create a coupon, go into your settings, select coupons, click on the new coupon button in the top right. Once here, you'll be given the new coupon creation screen. From here, you can start out by adding a description, a coupon code, a discount amount, and a discount type, whether that be a percentage or dollar amount off. Here, I'm making a military discount for 15% off. Next, choose the date mode. Choose if you want to limit when the coupon is valid. The date of reservation means the reservation dates must fall in the date range selected. Date of use means the reservation must be made during the date range selected. If you just want the coupon code to run indefinitely, choose whichever one, and then do not specify an end date under the start and end date. Next, choose where you want the discount to apply. You can set discounts to only apply to units, add-ons, or lock fees. For this specific discount, I only want it to apply to my unit fees. Then you can choose whether or not you want this to be shown on a drop-down in the reservation portal. If clicked, guests will not have to utilize the coupon code. If left unchecked, guests would have to have the coupon code in order to apply the discount. Nonetheless, on the back end, when you make internal reservations, you will always have these coupons available in a drop-down. And if you wish to limit the number of times a coupon can be used, feel free to click this box here. Then, if clicked, you can set a number of max total times the coupon can be used. Once everything looks good, go ahead and click Save, and your coupon will be made and ready to use. One of Firefly's key features is automated emails, in which there are a plethora of available emails in which the subject and content are all fully customizable. To view those, go into your Settings, Email Templates, and here you can see a list of all the available automated email templates to customize. To view and edit any email template, simply click on the blue wording of any template subject. For this example, I'm going to click on the new reservation email template. This is sent to a guest after a reservation is made. When I click into it, I will then be led to the edit template screen for the new reservation email. Here, you can see the subject as well as the body of the email. Note, anytime in Firefly you see words within double curly braces, this is called a placeholder. A placeholder will be filled in with the specific information that is within the curly braces for a unique guest and or reservation. To edit a template, simply just edit it like any other Word or text document you might edit on your computer. Click into the box, you can add text and or placeholders just by clicking on one of the placeholders available above. Once clicked, it will then be inserted anywhere your cursor is down below in the box. For this example, I'm going to add some more details to my reservation section here. I want to add the subtotal, the taxes, the fees, and the total. To do this, I'm going to utilize my own text plus some placeholders. As you can see, I added a few lines here to customize this template. Once I'm happy with it, I can scroll down and hit save. Once done, it will then be the template that is sent out from here on forward. The next important thing to note about templates is some of them can be turned off if you don't want them to be automatically sent to the guest. For example, if I go into this new charge notification email, I will see a blue sending checkbox here. Checked means that it is automatically sending. However, if I don't want a guest to be automatically notified when a new charge is created, I can simply click the box and uncheck it. Then I'll hit save. Notice it is now labeled as not sending. This means a guest will not automatically get this type of email. Moving through our settings, in Firefly, you have the ability to create, delete, and edit any users within Firefly that you want access to your park. To do so, go into your settings, scroll down to users, and here you'll see a list of all of your active or users that have been created to access your Firefly Park. To add a user, click on the Add User button. Here, you'll be prompted to put in their first name, last name, and an email you wish for them to log in with. Once entered, you can then associate specific permissions on the user level. Account Administrator gives a user access to your specific account information up here. Manage Settings allows a user to manage the settings we've been looking at throughout these videos. View Reports allows someone to view the reports that are within Firefly. Dashboard Revenue allows someone to view the revenue information that's on the dashboard. And the two accounting settings and procedures allow someone to be able to set up and view the accounting tool within Firefly. Once set up appropriately, you can then hit Save User. Once saved, the email that was put on file will be then sent an activation email. From there, a user can activate their account by setting up a password. The last setting that we'll go over in this set of videos is Utilities. To build utilities, go into your Settings, scroll down, click Utilities. Once here, you will be able to add a new utility. Click on New Utility. Here, enter the name of the utility, the rate at which you're going to charge the utility, whether or not any taxes apply to it, and you can also choose whether or not this is a running meter. A running meter is the most common example of a meter reading, and a running meter is when a meter is not reset after each reading. The previous reading is subtracted from the current reading to calculate usage. I'm going to go ahead and click that because I want to use it as a running meter, and I will fill out the rest of this information. Once filled out, I'm going to click Save. Once you have a utility listed in the utility setting, you are then able to take readings on it.